A villain. Let's go. Shout out to K Titan. Shout out to all those party people I was partying with on Saturday night. Yeah. I heard y'all people on that fly crap. Yeah, that trap or die fly. The block. Don't let it get too hot and move. That you highly fit me. I'm in that cockpit with my suit and tie that fit me. Tryna cash it, and trust me, I'm not tryna get up in them pockets. Fully packed up and holy, best believe that is loaded. Telling you now, brother, try that shit and your coffin would be closed. Ayy, 200 stacks and we feel it ain't none of it stolen. And if you think you're gonna take it from us, well, you made a mistake. And just look out and drop down low now. I said look out and drop down low now. Don't bother me unless you are coming me to fight. Because I ain't putting up with no shit, man. You gonna fight over my hotness, but don't be ashamed that I look better than you, man. I look better than you, yeah. Well then, hey, that means they're asking for it. That means you're asking for it, like I'm asking her to move her body, you know. So look out, look out, look out for me. I'm like a bull coming at full speed. He looked out, man. Hey, look out, guess who it is? It's me, I'm coming from Texas where that heat is blazing. So get your money together and know where to go. Cause when it comes to lyrics, I'm the best in the business. We'll leave you where you stand. We will lift you off your feet and make you fly like Peter Pan. Don't make any sudden moves. Then again I say, look out and drop down low now. I said look out and drop down low now. And look out and drop down low now, you know.